Everyone, how to totes back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Melodycraft AI music maker application. So first of all, you need to open your app or install this app, then open your app, then wait a second to get the interface. Okay, just tap the get started, continue, and you can see here choose anyone among them, continue. So it's not free actually. You can generate music for basic music, but you can see here you need to create your account first. Okay, I'm just going to see here library, and you can see in your profile. So by the you are guest now, so without your account you can use this app. So simply tap here MV, you can see middle one. So now upload the song you want to use. To make MV, create your own AI version, or you can tap here unique. You need to upload your videos, or you can see here create now. So now you can random. I'm just tap the random because I don't have any prompt. You can polish it, that make it enhance, apply, or you can give here lyrics, AI lyrics. If you tap generate lyrics, you can type here. Free to generate 3 times, unlimited uses, so you can only create 3 musics in free mode. So you can see here, then you can select the mode, motivational, confident, select the genre. So classic, advanced option, if you click here, if you want a vocal or not, you can choose it, and which type of vocal, male or female or random. So recording in which like studio mode or live mode. And language, you can choose language here. There are different languages. I choose English. And public or private. So that's all. If you make the public, all people see your generators, and if you make private, only can watch you. And you can see I have only 1 credit, so only 1 credit you can create 3 music, and after that create with description. So agree and continue, and it takes few time to generate your music. So now you can see here it's successfully created. I am not going to play it because of copyright issue. You can play it.